Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session in which we will be discussing some more important questions and some more important points we will cover up, which will surely be helping you to solve the questions in the exam in very simple and easy manner and even in less time. So actually guys, today's question and the analysis of the question we are going to do is from the electromagnetic theory section. So the question I'm going to give you is, if the electrostatic potential that's going to be in spherical polar coordinates is phi r is equal to phi naught e to the power negative r by r naught, where phi naught and r naught are constants, then the charge density at a distance r is equal to r naught will be. Options are epsilon naught phi naught divided by e r naught square. Next one is e epsilon naught phi naught divided by 2 r naught square. Option C, negative epsilon naught phi naught divided by e r naught square. Option D is negative 2 e epsilon naught phi naught divided by r naught square. Okay. Now, in this case guys, we are not going to talk about so many things in the session, but we are going to discuss about this thing, that what mistakes you can make in this kind of question and what are the things you need to be extra careful about. Because once you will understand that part, once you will learn that, you will be getting the right answer for any such type of question, and I think everybody will be able to take care of the points which are most important, and from where there are great chances that anybody can make mistake at those points. So just to avoid them, we need to do this the kind of discussion and the analysis. So if the electrostatic potential in spherical polar coordinates is phi r is equal to phi naught e to the power negative r over r naught, the first thing you have noticed in this question after reading it and going through the details they have given you, can you mention it? What is that point you think is most important and you have to focus? Mention it in the comments right now. Okay, otherwise I'm just gonna mention it now. So actually guys, that is the coordinate system. Okay, the other thing we have to notice is what we need to find and what they have given us. So we can see they have given us the electrostatic potential, and what we need to find, we need to find the charge density. Clear? So charge density is something we need to find, and the potential is something which is given to us. Clear? And the coordinate system is a spherical polar coordinate system. So once you got to know potential is given and you have to find the charge density, in that case you need to think about this thing, that what can be the other point you have to consider. So the other point you have to consider is the delta square V is equal to negative rho over epsilon naught, which is known as Poisson's equation. If you will consider this one, so this is your Poisson's equation, and this is relating the potential, the scalar potential, with what? With the charge density. So this is your scalar potential and this is your charge density, right? So you can simply consider it now. And guys, the Laplacian which is here, you have to consider its value in terms of spherical polar coordinates. So that means you will have to just consider the terms from that Laplacian part which will have the differential with respect to r. Why? Because you can see here you don't have any other coordinate. It is just a function of r. So basically, when you will write the Laplacian just as a function of r, you are going to have 1 over r square delta over delta r square delta v over delta r, okay, and that's it. This is how you are going to consider it. From here you have to get the value of this rho, that is the charge density. So you will plug in the value of v here, differentiate, simplify, and then again multiply it with r, whatever r square, whatever you are getting, then again differentiate, then simplify, and finally get the value of rho. So if you're going to take care of these things, the coordinate system, and what is the best formula which is relating those two parameters, the one you have to find and the one which is given, right? So that's how you will simply be able to get your answer. In this case, your right answer is option A. You can just simply proceed further to solve it. Once you will do all the differentiation, so in that case, just plug in r is equal to r naught at the end and you will be getting the right answer. So that's how, guys, when you focus on the small things, you will never be making any mistake related to the steps you have to follow or the calculation you have to do, okay? So I hope everything we have talked about right now in this session will be getting clear. But in case if there will be any doubt, you can surely let me know about it. Also, guys, as you know, this is the latest offer which is going on Unacademy, which will be helping you to save more. And the offer is just valid till 31st July. So if you want to grab it, you can use and apply the code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen to grab this offer and to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Also, guys, we are gonna have so many new courses which will be starting soon on Unacademy, and many courses are going on right now by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy, which will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to the next level. What are the benefits you will get if you will be taking Unacademy Plus, Iconic, or the Lite subscription? So all that has been clearly shown on this screen. Also, guys, now the important notes are available on the learning app, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level, along with the well structured and well planned courses by the top educators. And guys, you can see whichever subscription you think is going to be more beneficial for yourself, you can take that subscription, whether Plus or Iconic, because they will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to a very good level under the guidance of top educators. And whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, use and apply the code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen and get the discount in the total subscription amount. Even if any of your friends want to take the subscription, let them know about this latest offer. They can even grab it. Anybody who will be taking the subscription just needs to use and apply the code Anjali A Live to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the session and for attending it till the end. Thank you. And if you are new on this channel, that is Mission at Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification for all the new videos I will be uploading here. Thank you, everyone.